Looking for budget-friendly kitchen upgrades for your kitchen? Well, you are in luck because in this video, I will show you 5 easy and inexpensive kitchen cabinet upgrades that will have your kitchen going from out of date to boy, that looks great. Hello there and welcome back to Woodworker Express.com. I do have a link down below in the description for all of the products that we will be going over in this video. Now, the first upgrade we will be talking about is this little bitty soft close adapter. This upgrade is not only budget friendly, it's also simple to install. The soft close adapter slows down your cabinet door as it closes, making slam doors a thing of the past. And it's installed with just a single screw. Talk about quick and easy. You can purchase these in bulk 25 packs to save a little money, or you can purchase these individually. Your choice. Next on the list is a pull-out waste container. These cabinet-mounted trash pullouts can be easily installed into your existing base cabinets and keep your garbage out of sight. The trash pullouts are designed to be installed where there is already a cabinet door. First, you're going to want to measure your cabinet opening width. You do this by simply opening the cabinet door and measuring the opening from left to right. For this trash pullout, you will need a minimum opening of 14.5 inches. That will be the smallest cabinet opening that this unit can fit into. So let's say your cabinet has a 14.5 inch opening or a 15 or a 16 inch opening, then this unit will fit perfectly. All the different models will have the information listed on our website for the minimum dimensions that are needed based on each pullout model. Okay, so now you have your soft close doors. Let's talk about the upgrade of soft close drawers. If you already have epoxy or ball bearing drawer slides and are looking for a soft close option, then KV's GS4270 soft close drawer slide is a great choice. These 100-pound class medium duty full extension side mount slides feature soft close technology delivering an ultra smooth slide operation and high quality soft close dampening effect. You can easily swap out your old slides and install these soft close slides, which are a particular favorite among cabinet makers looking for cost-sensitive, high-quality, and consistent soft close performance. All right, so your kitchen is now decked out with soft close doors and soft close drawers. Now let's open these doors and drawers in style. Take a look at our budget-friendly upgrade, upgrading your pulls and knobs. We have an endless variety of these on our website. All that you have to do is remove your existing hardware, and if it's a pull, you measure the distance from one hole to the other hole. That measurement is known as your center to center. Let's pretend your measurement is 3 3/4 inches from one hole to the next. You will then look for pulls that are listed as center to center 3 3/4 on our website. Easy as that. We even have a filter built into our website on the left-hand side, as you see here, to make it even easier. I do have a video showing you how to get center to center measurement in a little more detail, and that is also linked down below of this video. And now finally, number 5, drawer inserts. The drawer inserts that are available on our website will breathe new life into your cabinet drawers and organize your life. We have drawer inserts available for silverware, knives, spices, dinner plates, and even for K-cups. Most of our inserts are available in plastic or wood to fit everyone's budget and lifestyle. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you, and be sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that bell icon to get notified when we have a new video that comes out, and don't forget to visit woodworkerexpress.com for all of your woodworking needs. I will see you next time. Okay, so you have a choice here. Take the door on the left or the video on the right. They're both videos. There's no door.